Today what I wanted to talk about with you was what I believe is the real reason to get onto Amazon, and a mistake that some people make when they first get excited about going into business for themselves. Now, hey guys, Adam Hudson here, coming to you live this morning from Ubud in Bali, just such a beautiful part of the world. Today what I wanted to talk about with you was what I believe is the real reason to get onto Amazon, and a mistake that some people make when they first get excited about going into business for themselves. Now, one of the things that I spent a lot of time being in my entrepreneurial career was a pioneer, being the guy that comes up with this amazing idea that's never been done before, and then, galloping out into the battle and, trying to, break new ground and be a superstar entrepreneur. Now, let me tell you something about pioneers. Do you know how you identify a pioneer? They're the ones lying face down in the mud with arrows in their back, okay? Because being a pioneer is really hard, right? You have to create a market. You have to, convince people that your product or service has value. And the problem with that is it's expensive, it's time consuming, and you have to be a salesperson. So a lot of the time when I meet people and start talking about Amazon, they'll say, hey, I've got this really great idea for a product. And then they'll go ahead and start explaining to me a product that doesn't yet exist in the marketplace. And quite often these ideas are fantastic, right? But the problem is, it's not the point of Amazon. You see, the point of Amazon and what makes it such an appealing and wonderful business for us to get into is that we don't have to do any of the hard stuff like create a market, right? Amazon has over 5 million people a day going to their website right now to buy things. Your job is to simply identify where the opportunities are, where they're already buying things, and then make better solutions for what people already want. Now, I know that sounds simple, but it's super important that you get this. What you don't want to be doing is finding a product that doesn't exist, getting somebody to draw up some sketches, creating molds, talking to suppliers about creating molds and samples on something that doesn't yet exist. It's going to slow down your progress. You're going to take you 10 times longer to get it started, and worst of all, you don't know whether people are actually going to buy it yet. Okay, so you don't want to be coming up with ideas and creating molds and preferably not creating a new product at all. All of the products that I sell are actually off-the-shelf products that are in suppliers' catalogs in China right now. Now, admittedly, they're deep in the catalogs, and I had to look a long time to find them, but I've never had to pay for a mold. In fact, I've just paid for a mold for one of my products for the first time, but I've been doing this for 3 or 4 years. You don't want to be doing that at the start, okay? So the power of Amazon is to tap into this enormous momentum of customers and market of customers, and simply identify product opportunities and how you can differentiate and create a better, or find, is the key word, find and package a better product than what the competitors are, and market it better than they are. Sometimes it's just a case of marketing it better because there's not much competition. But if it's just marketing, remember, there can always be someone else that comes along. If you can find something that's unique, it's a big advantage. So don't tool up, don't try to create something that doesn't exist. Just simply tap into the demand that's already there. Don't be the guy with your face in the mud and the arrows in your back. Have a wonderful day. Thanks for watching, and I'll be giving you more great training soon. Bye for now.